VEED versus Canva, usage experience. In this video, I'll be comparing two popular tools for video creation and editing, VEED and Canva. Both platforms are designed to simplify the video making process, but they each have their own unique features and use cases. Links to both products are included in the description below if you'd like to try them out for yourself. Let's dive into the comparison. VEED is a web-based video editing tool that's primarily designed for quick and easy video creation. It's perfect for users who need to create content fast without the steep learning curve of traditional video editing software. VEED excels at basic editing features like trimming, adding text, subtitles, and filters, and it also allows users to create social media content and ads. It's ideal for beginners or anyone who needs to make a polished video with minimal effort. The platform's cloud-based nature allows for easy collaboration, which is great for teams or those working on social media content regularly. However, while VEED is simple to use, it lacks some of the advanced editing features found in professional software. Canva, on the other hand, is widely known for its graphic design tools, but has recently expanded into video creation. Canva allows users to design social media graphics, presentations, and even videos. For video editing, Canva provides templates, text animations, transitions, and the ability to add music and video clips, which makes it an excellent tool for creating engaging videos with minimal effort. It's especially well-suited for those who want to create marketing content or presentations with visual appeal. Canva's interface is highly intuitive, making it accessible to beginners while still offering enough options for more experienced users. When it comes to pricing, both platforms have free versions, with premium features available via subscription. VEED's paid plans unlock more advanced editing tools, while Canva's premium plan offers more templates, stock images, and video features. In conclusion, VEED is perfect for users who want a simple, quick, and efficient video editing solution, particularly for short-form content. Canva, on the other hand, is better suited for those who want to combine video editing with design elements and create highly polished marketing or social media content. Check out the links in the description to explore both platforms further.